Hello friends, and welcome to the tutorial on writing Python scripts. At the end of the tutorial, you will be able to understand what is importing, write your own Python modules, then understand name equal in double quotes, main, then idiom. Before beginning this tutorial, we would suggest you to complete the tutorial on using Python modules. Often we will have to reuse the code that we have written. We do that by writing functions. Functions are bundled into packages and are imported as and when required in other scripts. Let us first write a function that computes the GCD of two numbers and save it in a script. Open an editor and type the code. Please take care of the indentation. So type in terminal vi space gcd underscore script.py, then type def space gcd within brackets a comma b colon, enter, then while b colon a comma b is equal to b comma a percentage b, and then return a. We shall write a test function in the script that tests the GCD function every time the script is run. So type if GCD within brackets 40 comma 12 is equal to 4 colon, then print within double quotes everything okay. Else colon print within double quotes the GCD function is wrong. So let us save the file as script.py in /home/fossee/gcdscript.py. So now we shall run the script by typing in the terminal python space /home/fossee/gcd_script.py. We can see that the script is executed and everything is fine. What if we want to use the GCD function in some of our other scripts? This is also possible since every Python file can be used as a module. But first we shall understand what happens when you import a module. So type in IPython. So in terminal you can open IPython and type import sys and hit enter. Then sys.path. This is a list of locations where Python searches for a module when it encounters an import statement. Hence, when we just did import sys, Python searches for a file name sys.py or a folder name sys in all these locations one by one until it finds one. So we can place our script in any of these locations and can import it. The first item in the list is an empty string, which means the current working directory is also searched. Alternatively, we can also import the module if we are working in same directory where the script exists. Since we are in /home/fossee, we can simply do by typing on the terminal import gcd_script.py and hit enter. We can see that the gcd_script is imported, but the test code that we added at the end of the file is also executed. But we want to test the code to be executed only when the file is run as a Python script or not when it is imported. This is possible by using name variable. First, we shall look at how to use the idiom and then understand how it works. Go to the file and add this line as the beginning of the code and indent the code accordingly. So type if __ name __ is equal to within double quotes __ main __ then finally colon. Let us first run the code. So type in terminal python gcd_script.py. We can see that there is an error coming up saying that, so there is an error, it's showing indentation error. So we have to edit the file and make the indentation perfect. Now we can see that the test runs successfully. Now we shall import the file, import gcd_script. So type import gcd_script. We can see that now the test code is not executed. The __ name __ variable is local to every module and it is equal to __ main __ only when the file is run as a script. Hence all the code that goes into the if block, that is if name equal within double quotes main colon, is executed only when the file is run as a Python script. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial, and in this tutorial we have learned to know what happens when we import a module, use a script as a module, write test functions using the name idiom. So here are some self-assessment questions for you to solve. Which of the following variables contains the locations as to search for Python modules? sys.pythonpath, sys.path, os.pythonpath, os.path. Second question, a module which contain only functions, true or false. And the third question, the script utils.py is in one of the locations of Python path and contains the following code. And the code is given. And now we'll look at the answers. The first one, sys.path contains the location to search for Python modules. And for the second one, false is the answer. A module which contains a range of functions. And the third one, after doing import utils, we can use the function show as utils.show within brackets double quotes the name. So we hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Thank you.